welcome to Von Scheller Family Experience, and we're out camping for the weekend in a cool little spot back in Eagle Meadows. Yep, out kind of by our cabin, but we're camping for our friend Hunter's birthday. He wanted to come camping, so we've got a nice little kind of secret spot out here. It's off the road, tucked back in. We didn't quite get the spot that we wanted. Spot that we wanted is up by these aspens and this big meadow, so we didn't quite get that spot. So there's another spot right below it that we got. So that's where we're at here for the weekend. And the Riveras came and joined us. They were camping over in Tahoe and came over Sonora Pass. Pulled in yesterday, so we got in Thursday night. It's now Saturday. We're gonna stay one more night, so 3 nights in here and head out. I think today we're gonna head back to Relief Reservoir or maybe up Long Valley, take the Razors and the quads and go for a little cruise. But cool little camp spot up here and having fun, and it's nice and cool, no smoke. A little dusty. It's definitely a dusty spot. The other spot's not as dusty because it's got a little more pine needles everywhere, which keeps the dust down, but it's a good weekend.
I wake up in the morning in this great blue state. Golden fingers caress my face. Slips through the window on a silky breeze. A dreamer's line to plant some seeds. She's my believer, healing all my doubts. A lighted mirror, reflecting out every true potential. A bedrock belief, an elaborate plot to set this bird free. From every element faced, every color that's attached, she paints pictures blue and green, and I release them to the sea. For the ancient memories, just as fleeting as a breeze, she paints pictures blue and green, and I release them to the sea. How we lay in the sunset, white cotton June. Her body sings, and I join the tune. All the sirens calling, the crows leave their trees, but a peace pervades us, and the dreamers dream from every element.
Hey, where are you going?
How we lay in the sunset,
We are headed out to our little secret rendezvous meadow,
and I join the tune.
and our new favorite meadow that we're gonna go out here and have a little picnic. We're just about at sunset, so we're gonna do a little magic hour, picnic, cocktail hour, romantic evening amongst friends. Here we are, out in Barn Meadow, our new favorite meadow. Well, one of our favorite meadows. There's a lot of cool meadows. Got Sardine, Eagle Meadow. Got the kids running. Cameron setting up a little picnic in the back. We're gonna sit back here, let the kids run around the meadow and watch the sun set. Nice peacefulness. Oh, there's Corbin! Where are you? There he is! There he is! Oh! we are. What's his ass? April. She found a rock with a heart.